So, hi guys, welcome back to the Java class. Yesterday actually we had some doubt, we were not getting some error, the error was not being showing. Actually, see, now I'll be opening the console window, and now I'll do the same thing. Over here only we got that error, nah? He told to put 40,000, so I will run it. See, now I'm getting. Just a minute, there is a mic problem. Yeah, you will be seeing an error. See, you will get an error like this. So once you give only like 40,000, you will not get an error. So what is that error it is showing over there? For everything you will be having the different errors. It will tell you like why it is showing. Java language error. It's a thread actually. It is run by a thread, so it is showing from the main only. It will be run. So it is showing an error over there. Compilation problem. Uh, Typing mistake. Cannot cover from integer to short. It is showing. See, convert it. We cannot convert from integer to. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Can you see the screen now? Yeah. See, now you will be getting the error. You can go over here and see the error. Okay. So sometimes the console won't open. So you should open the console window and then you run it. So you will be getting it. So I'll put it down. So coming to today's topic, what we will be learning is or the operators. Just a minute. We'll come back to Eclipse later. Yeah. Mm, yeah. So what all the topics we have been learned in the last class, we'll come back once again. Just we learn like what is Java and features, then what is JDK, JRE, JVM, tokens over, and again in tokens operators, like so on, and syntax. Just go through every day. You won't forget the concept what all and the meaning of that. So if you go every day, so that only I'll be revising, like I'll show the topics what all you have learned in the previous days, and we learn what is data type, and in data types we have some divisions, so on, and like coming to typecasting, what is winding and what is narrowing. So today we'll be learning about what all the operations we have. So we will be having different operations, kind of arithmetical operations and assignment operator and arithmetical operator and assignment operator. We'll be reading this first, and we'll just understand first, and then we'll go for the execution. So this is a small example of how the operator works. See, integer, it is nothing but a data type, the which type of thing, and this is a variable name, and these two are what we say. Just a minute. These two are operands, and this is operator. So coming to what is an arithmetical operator. operators. Arithmetical operators are used to perform uh, like um, mathematical operations. And what all the operators we have is, like, we have additional operators, subtraction and multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. So these are the operators which we will be learning in under the arithmetical operators. And coming to assignment operators are assignment is nothing but, for example, you will be assigning a value to the variable, right? So see, this is a variable, x is a variable, you will be assigning the value of 10 to the x. So this operator is called as assignment operators, which we will be using to assign a value. So there are different values which we will be assigning. And see, is equals to, and another like plus, we'll add, this is nothing but plus, and equals to is there, this is nothing but we'll be adding and the 5 to the previous value of x. So this is how we'll be doing. I'll be showing in a programmatical manner. You guys don't need to worry. Coming over here, the next concept over here, and see, under the next concept will be comparison operator. So coming to a comparison operator, what you will be learning is comparing a value between two various values. We will be comparing. That's it. I'll be showing the example. Just understand. We'll come to understand. It returns the value comparison, whether true or false. These values are known as Boolean values, and see, it can be used in if-else statements also, like that. You will come to know just come to know what all there is there under the comparison operator. We'll do in programmatical manner. You guys don't need to worry. So these are the things which we will be getting: equal to and not equal to, then greater than, lesser than, and greater than or equals to, and lesser than or equals to. These all things you will be using in the thing. See, this is how you declare. We have two variables. If we have two variables to compare, that we will be using this. And if this value is equals to or is not equals to, we will be using this. This one we will be running in programmatical manner. You guys don't need to worry. Coming to the small example of that, see, we'll be giving whether we'll be checking that it is greater than or not. See, it will return you. If it is greater than, it will return you true. If it is not, it will return you false. Like that. To check it, we'll be using that. So here the phi is greater than, so x is greater than y, so only you have got return value as true. So coming to the next topic is the logical operator. The logical operators also we have and logical or, and this is and, this is or, and logical not. So you guys know this, I think so. We'll be running this in the programmatical manner, guys, so don't need to worry. The next topic is the string. We know already what is a string. String is nothing but it stores some text, something. It is a collection of characters, like that. It's a collection of characters. It's basically a collection of characters. Small example over here. We'll be creating a string over here, and in string actually what is the main concept we'll be learning in this? Na, we'll be learning some basic methods. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Any doubts? Yeah. Okay. So we'll be learning some basic methods over here. So first method, like what is length, like why we will be using length, what is the use of length, and all we will be learning. Length means like see, you will be Hana, like you will be finding the length of this string. So I'll show you in programmatical manner. So you will come to know. We'll just come to know over here, like in what all topics we will be learning today. So and again, string concatenation. There's a topic called string concatenation. It is nothing but like we'll be adding two strings together. Okay. So if we add two names together, like it is called as string concatenation. So we'll be using, see, we have added space over here. Actually, without space also you can give like this. So we'll be running in programmatical manner. So you will come to know what is concatenation. See here we have given like the plus operator. Usually we use plus operation for concatenating both the strings between two strings. This is one string and this is one string. We will be adding this two string using the plus operator. Like that is nothing but an additional operator. Like when we use an additional operator, the concatenation happens. And we have another thing also. We can do the same thing using like method. There is a method called concatenate. I have not given over here. I will teach you in the program, so don't need to worry. The next thing is adding a two string. So see over here I have given actually adding a number and a string. Okay, here we have concatenated only the two strings, but here we will be adding number and a string. See, we have one warning message. What is that? Java uses the plus operator for both addition and concatenation, numbers are added. So for while concatenation we will be using, so addition we will be using. So coming to the example, see, we will be adding two numbers. This is adding two numbers. The value of x and y are numbers only. So when we add it, we will be getting like this. And when we come to the part of adding concatenating the cells of two strings, see here it is a number, okay, but here it is a string. We are adding the value called 10 and 20. These are numbers, but we have given in the form of string. These return types are strings. So what the output will be over here is not 30. You will be getting like normally it will be printing. You will see you have got like this, like 1020 you have got. So it will be printing like this. So why it will be printing, I'll be cleanly explaining in the program. So these all will be trying. See here we'll be adding a number. One is a string and another one is an integer value. That is like nothing but a number value. So what will be the output? This is called as concatenation. Nothing but a concatenation. The number and the string. See, we'll be seeing in the example, so don't need to worry. So coming to Java math. In Java math also, like we have like number of methods. So these are some basic methods which you need to know the things, like nothing but like see, we have some basic methods like math dot maximum. In this this thing na, it is the syntax is this one. So this is the main syntax. So in these two, x or y we will be giving. In that you will be taking like we'll be comparing whether 5 is greater or 10 is greater over here. So what is the thing which we have given? Method can be used to find the highest value of x or x and y. So we will be finding what is the highest value in between these two. Coming to another method which we have is actually these methods are used in real world. So when we'll be doing the program now, you will come to know like why we'll be using all these things. So you guys don't need to worry. So this is similarly we'll be finding a lowest value of x and y in this case. So what is that thing we'll be using? Math dot minimum, like that is and minimum. This is a method. So method means it will be surrounded with the curl, like normal braces, like that is curve braces. So we will be comparing which is the lowest value in this. See, 5 is the lowest value, so we will be printing 5. I'll show you in programming manner. So these are we will be learning today. And coming like we'll be suppose if we want to find the square root of any value, that is the largest value, or any other value, means we'll be using math dot square root. So we'll be using this one also. It will be useful to find the square root, and this is used to, like for example, if we want to generate any random numbers randomly na, we will be using math dot random. So it displays random numbers, and it just displays the random number. I'll be showing an example, so you will come to know. And suppose like if we want to give any range, see this one it will be going on. So if we want to give any range we will be using this one, like we'll be giving an integer as math dot random of method into from like we will be using till like between 0 to 100. If we want to get some particularly like from 0 to 100 we want to search over here, so we'll be using like this. So I'll be letting you know the example from one by one. So we'll be doing doing the practical things till here. So we'll start the practicals. So if you have any doubt in this concept now, you can ask me while doing the program. So guys, can we start the program? Yeah. Sure. I will open Eclipse. Yeah, just a minute. We'll clear this error. Yeah, done. We'll create a new package. We have already learned like how to create a package. Just click on right click, go to new, and come to package. We'll create a package called operators. Then inside that we'll be creating a class. So class name should start with a capital letter. So we give the first one we'll be doing. So okay, anyway we'll be doing everything in one thing. So I'll give you that same as so logical or arithmetical operator. I'll give operators only. Operators. So coming to the first thing, what we need, the main thing is we need a main method to run the program first. We need a main method. Inside the main method only you can run the program. If you don't use the main method, I see if you won't use the main method and if you just declare the variable, right? Whatever the things, or for example, I'll declare string type. String x is equals to something called name, some name. If I do like this and just if I do print statement and all, it won't run because the main method only handles everything. So I'll be explaining. You will be coming to know everything while creating in OOPS concept. So guys, don't need to worry. So the main method is important. Now what is like the coming to arithmetical operators. So this is an arithmetical operator. So you can see my both the screens, I think so. Just a minute, I'll split it. So we'll be doing the operations one by one. So I'll take two values. So first we need two values now. So I'll take two values. So x equals to 10 and y int y is equals to 20. So I have taken two values. So we'll be using to save statement. And I'll be using first operator, that is additional operator. So x plus y. So this will print 30. This is an addition operator. 10 plus 20 is 30. And coming to the next thing is subtraction. Subtraction x minus y. So you will be getting minus 10. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah, we'll be getting minus 10. We'll put y minus x so you will not get confused. See. Then coming to the next thing, just I'll copy this line. The next operator is multiplication, and another one is division modulus. And this is an increment operator. For example, wait, I'll give y plus plus and y minus minus. I'll tell you what is increment and what is decrement. You guys don't need to worry. See, I'll open the console window. So these are the things which we have learned, right? See, I'll open the console window. See. See, here it is showing 30 because it is a normal additional operator, you guys will know. And here this is subtraction, and this is like 20 into 10, that is multiplication. It is showing 200, and 20 divided by 10 is 2, and this is a modulus. Modulus you have got 0, and you have coming to this one, coming to the main thing, increment and decrement. Just a minute. Actually, I have done pre-increment and pre. In increment only you have a pre and post. Okay, I have done pre. You should put it. If you put it in front, it goes. It gives pre-increment and post-increment. This is called pre-increment and post-increment. You will be learning. Like I'll be telling properly when. If-else statements comes, you guys don't need to worry. The statements, conditional statements and all, I'll be teaching you. I'll be teaching over there. So again, I will come over here and I'll run it. See, you will get 21. This is an increment operator. Nothing but the value of 20 will be incremented, and then it will be printed. Here, it will also get incremented. If I do, see, comma, no, not comma. If I'll take the same line copied, and if I do plus plus, so here also the value is already incremented. Okay, I'll show you. See, okay, I'll show you an if-else statement so you will not get confused. So we'll run. So these are the additional operators. Just you guys have some idea like what all additional operators will be there. Then coming to the next concept is assignment operators. How we will assign the value, what all things we will be using, that one. So coming to assignment operators, nothing but like we'll comment this so we will not get confused. I'll take this two values, I require this. Coming to assignment operator. So guys, if you have any idea, you can like any doubts you can ask. Okay. So here x, so just a minute. So next is coming to assignment operators. So I'll minimize my screen so you will come to know the concept, like which one I am teaching. See, now we'll be doing this one. You are able to see this table, I think so. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just I'll give one example. See, we'll be assigning the value, right? So, for example, uh, see, x is equals to y, like that you will be printing. If x is not is equals to y na, it will show you false, like that. And this one is yeah. The next one is if x is greater than or not, it's not greater than. Suppose if x is lesser than, now you will get true, because 10 is smallest value and 20 is greater value, na? So you are getting true. So this is how it works. So you can go through like this. And the next thing is comparison operator. Actually, yeah, just a minute. Sorry, I have done the comparison operator. So comparison operator means this one, okay? And the thing now we will be learning is comparison operator. We have already run. We'll learn the thing of this. This is nothing but we'll be assigning the value. Sorry, we'll be assigning the value. Assignment operators are just used to assign the value. That's all. I'll take this example only and I'll show you it. No need to. I'll just type so you will come to know. So assign the value, like see here I have already assigned using equals to, na? So I'll change this x value, x plus equals to, so x plus equals to 3 I'll give, 3 or 4, 5, anything you can give, it's your wish. So I'll print this, that is SOUT x. So when I print, so it was showing 13. So how it is done means the initial value of that plus 3. So you got this, na? The initial value of x is 10. 10 plus 3. It takes like that. And suppose if you do like again x minus or is equals to, see, now it is 10. So the initial of value became 13, then I again minus 3, so again it came to its original value, like 10. So this is how you will do. So similarly, everything, all this Like for modulars you will be having modulars, for division you will be having division, and greater than everything we'll be doing in the programming. So you will come to know just like you just should know like which all comes under which, so it will be useful to you. So conditional operator I already have told, and logical operator. Logical operator is nothing but like AND gate, NAND gate, or NOR gate. That's it. Only these three. So I'll give an example for AND gate. Okay. Yeah. I'll come here. I'll erase all this. So int x is equals to something like 5, and system dot, I have taken the print statement, then I'll be using x is greater than 3, and where is and operator, and we'll be using two ands to compare. This is the AND operator in Java. Okay, and x is less than sorry less than 10. So just we are checking it. So see this case, this is, I told you na, this is case sensitive. If I am giving the uppercase x, it is not taking. If I give the lowercase x only, it will take. The variables are case sensitive. So just now we will compare it. We are just going to compare it, how it will run, and why we will use AND gate and all. Just we are comparing it. So it will also show what it's true or false. So x is greater than 3 also, and smaller than 10 also, so it is showing true. Or else, like if I give this smaller than 4, now what it will show? It shows false, because x is not smaller than 4, so it is showing like that. Suppose if I put 6, now it will show true. I think you have come to understand. Then again, if I give x is greater than or equal to 5, we have this one also true, but x is not greater than or equal to 4. Sorry, smaller than or equal to 4. We can use like this also. So this is how you guys will be having. See here, you will be having a different operators. Sorry. See here, we can use like this. So that only we will be using AND operator, OR operator. OR operator is used to return whether one statement or another statement is. If any one of that statement is true, it will show you. But here na, if both the statements is true only, it will show. But here any one of the statement, I'll show you. See here na, if it is in both the cases, it will show true, or else it will throw false. See, greater than 3 in or sorry or x is smaller than 10. See, now it is showing true, but x is see now what I will do is like x is greater than 3 nah, but it's not greater than 4 I'll give. Now you will get true, but not greater than this one. Like any one of the condition is true, it will show true. So I'll give both as smaller. See, it is showing false. If both the conditions are false, only it will show you false. Any one of the condition is true, it will show you true, but not over here. So this one I think you understood. Yes. Okay. So again, like we will move to another thing, that is strings. In strings we have methods, right? So coming to the methods, these are some basic methods. There are actually more methods you will be learning in further classes. So first one is length. So suppose I'll erase this. See, now I'll take one string called the name, which is equals to, I'll give something like x, y, z, so on. I'll give. Now I need to know like what is the length of the string. No, so at that time what I will do, at that time I will be using the length method. So here I will be using the variable name first, name dot so just we get the length of the string. See, so now what I'll do, I'll give only 3, I'll execute. The length of the string is 3. So for checking the length of the string, we will be using the length method. And another one is uppercase. See, these all are in lowercase. If I want to convert in uppercase, we'll be using the method called to uppercase. So all these will be converted into uppercase. Similarly, suppose if I have written this one in uppercase, I'll take another example only. I'll write my name only, Puneet. So now my name will be converted into uppercase. If I want to convert that into the lowercase, I'll just do to lowercase. See, now it is totally in lowercase. See, here my first letter is in uppercase, but it is already turned it into lowercase. So this is how you will be using uppercase and lowercase. And next one is, what is the next method? We will be using the index of. We will be finding in which index that word is it, like that. For example, you'll see, I'll show you an example and you will come to know very well. I'll declare it down only. String some text I will write, that is hi. Puneet. So I have given hi, my name is Puneet over here, and I will close with the semicolons. Again I will come. And just I'll type my. Okay. Text dot index of hello. Yes. Any doubts?
We have to write txt.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. See, it is showing 4 now. Why it is showing 4? It is in the index number of 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in the. It shows the previous thing of that. So, for example, I'll write. No, it starts from 0. The index value starts from 0. Hello? What you wanted to tell? You tell.
The same thing, sir. The same thing.
Yeah, okay. So it won't start like 1, 2, 3. Okay, it will start from like 0 as you came to tell me. It will start from 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is the 4. If I type is starting from 12. So to find the indexed value, we will be using that method called as index. So coming to string, that is over. So we'll see these examples in tomorrow's class, and you just go through this video and you come to know. I'll tell you what is concatenation and two numbers of concatenation is in tomorrow's session. So thank you guys. So if you have any doubts, you can clear me now. Yeah, okay. So from Monday onwards, the class will be there. Tomorrow the class won't be. Okay, thank you. You can leave.